Hi everyone, get ready, let's make this super moisturizing and hydrating body wash. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing green tea and aloe vera body wash. This formula is very easy to make and perfect for nourishing your skin. Here are the list of ingredients I'll be using, and at the end of this video, complete formula with percentage measurements will be shown. So to begin, we'll start by measuring out 225.25 grams of distilled water, followed by 65 grams of SCI, which is also known as sodium cocyl acetonate. SCI is an aniline surfactant which is gentle on the skin and great for people with sensitive skin. One thing I love about this particular surfactant is the fact it can contribute to the thickness of a product and produce a luxurious and creamy lather, which makes it feels good on the skin. Next, I'll be measuring out 80 grams of cocoa betaine. This surfactant is also a great choice for those with sensitive skin. It is an amphoteric surfactant with good foaming properties. The only difference between cocoa betaine and SCI is that SCI produces a rich creamy lather, while cocoa betaine boasts the foaming properties of the surfactants. That is what I have noticed personally. Now I'm just going to stir. You have to stir gently so as to minimize creating excessive foam and prevent air bubbles. Let's keep this aside and go ahead to measure our xanthan gum in a different beaker. Here we are going to be measuring out 1.5 grams of xanthan gum clear. Xanthan gum is a thickener which will help thicken and stabilize our products. Here I'm using xanthan gum clear, which is quite different from normal xanthan gum and xanthan gum soap. So if you choose to use either of them, you may have a different viscosity and probably a different skin feel from the one in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in our glycerin. I'm going to measure out 15 grams of glycerin and mix it together to form a paste. The reason why this is mixed with glycerin is to prevent any form of clumping and lumps in the xanthan gum. So I'm just going to continue stirring thoroughly and add into our surfactant's phase and stir again gently. Again, you want to stir gently. You don't want to create the bubbles and excessive foam and stuff. Right now, it looks very thick and chunky, which is completely normal. After eating it for about 70 degrees Celsius, it's going to loosen up a bit and become much lighter. And I'm going to show you how it's going to look after eating it up so you see what I mean. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure out the oil phase. I'll start by measuring out 15 grams of e-wax. This will help emulsify our products. And again, there are different types of e-wax, so you can choose any one according to your preference. Next, I'm going to add in 5 grams of cetyl alcohol, 5 grams of mango butter, which is very moisturizing and provides softness and smoothness to the skin. 15 grams of jojoba oil. These two also serve as a moisturizer and also has anti-inflammatory properties. Now our heated phase is now ready. Let's go ahead and heat this up to about 70 degrees Celsius. I'm just going to pause this video and I'll be right back. Here you can see from the surfactant phase, which it was once very thick and chunky, is now more fluid. Let's mix this up Please ensure to always add your water phase to your oil phase so that you will not have to stress yourself in scooping out the oil. Like me, I made a mistake of not checking the size of the beaker and compare it with the quantity of products I'll be making. That was my mistake. So I'm just going to stick blend this for about 3 minutes. Make sure the tip of the stick blender is touching the bottom of the beaker so as to avoid air introducing air bubbles and excessive foam. We need to be very careful when blending because this is a surfactant based product and any little thing can just create excessive foaming. I'm going to stir this a little bit with a silicone spoon. You can use a silicone spoon or a spatula. This will help break off any bubbles that might be present so as to ensure a smoother and looking appearance of the product. I'm just going to go ahead right now and measure out about 0.75 grams of aloe vera powder. I'm using the 200 times concentrated form of aloe vera powder. This is known for its hydration and its anti-inflammatory properties. It's very effective when it comes to that. And I'm going to add in my 50 grams of distilled water. Mix it up. Aloe vera has a high tendency of forming clumps, just like xanthan gum. So you may need to thoroughly mix it and break down any lumps before adding it into your product. Next, I'm going to measure out 15 grams of green tea extract. Green tea extract is known for its anti-inflammatory properties as well for oil control. I feel it's kind of underrated for its benefits. I mean, it works well when it comes to acne, not serious acne, just like a mild acne. And when used for a long period of time, you are going to see like a much difference. So I'm going to add in 2.5 grams of liquid Germa Plus with 5 grams of fragrance, just to add a little bit of scent to the product. And just going to stir and add it into our mixture. Stir a little bit more, add into a bigger bowl just to create more space for stick blending. Need to stick blend this to mix our facing ingredients. So right now our product is ready and it's time to check the pH of our product. I would like this pH to be around 5.5. Yeah, around 5.5. So I'm going to go ahead and check the pH of this product. So to check the pH of this product, I'm going to dip the pH meter directly into the product. You don't want to dilute it first before checking the product of your pH. I mean, I feel you're not going to get an accurate reading when you dilute it with 90 grams of water. So here our pH is showing 5.0, which is a little bit low. I'm going to just go ahead and add in about 0.5 grams of sodium hydroxide just to, increase the pH a little bit more. like I said, I want the pH to be around 5.5. Yeah, around 5.5 thereabout. So going to stir this up. I'm going to stir it in and check the pH again. Yeah, it's showing 5.2, which has not gotten to my preferred pH. So I'm just going to add in more 0.5 grams of sodium hydroxide. Stir, check again, and right now this is showing 5.4, which I guess I'm just going to leave it like that. I mean, it's close to 5.5. Time to package our product, and that's all. We are done with our product. Why don't you make this product and let me know how it turned out, if you liked it, if you're okay with it. Here is our measurements in percentages. I use 84% of SCI, 30% of cocoa betaine. And yeah, that's it. You might just want to screenshot this and try out the products at your leisure time. If you don't like the thickness, you can as well just take away the xanthan gum. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you some other time. Bye.